This is the spindle cone assembly of our Symons cone crusher. Our specific model is Symons 5.5 feet cone crusher. In addition to the features of other cone crushers, its advantages mainly include 1. High degree of automation, utilizing the laminated crushing principle to enhance crushing efficiency and reduce energy consumption. 2. Uniform particle size distribution of crushed materials, minimizing overcrushing. 3. Suitable for medium and high hardness materials, with a wide range of applications. 4. Smooth operation, low vibration, and low noise, reducing impact on the equipment foundation. These features make it widely used in industries such as mining, construction materials, and metallurgy.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development, and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.